Today is Friday, November 7th, another day. I'm still in Las Vegas, waiting to get unloaded. And I will be spending the rest of my day still here in Vegas. So let's see how this day is gonna be developing. Mainly I need to get to the gym today, for sure. That's gonna be my main objective. For now, just waiting to get unloaded. So today my workout is pretty simple, just a little bit of running, some push-ups, squats, lots of abs exercises, and basically it's just a recovery from yesterday. Yeah, I'm tired, but I still show up in the gym. Because if I stop every time I'm exhausted, I'll never get anywhere. You know? Pain fades, miles passes, but the work stays. That's what builds me.